Looking for a chainsaw, chaps? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 9 chainsaw chaps available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect chainsaw chaps for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Husqvarna 587,160,704 Technical Apron Wrap Chap. Let us start with the premium model of Husqvarna, which is a perfect fit for everyone's needs. This one is made of 1000 denier polyester with PVC coating with Tech Warp protective layers. This means that it can stop a working saw and give you enough time to escape from the danger. The PVC coating prevents the chaps from wear and tear. This one comes in adjustable waist size, which means that you no more have to buy different chainsaw chaps for different family members in the house. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Forester Chainsaw Apron Chaps with Pocket. This model from Forester is in the form of an apron that is made of extremely thick material. But it is not too thick to make you uncomfortable as you wear the chaps. The material is very durable, lightweight and comfortable, which is also water and oil resistant. Also, because this one is available in deep orange color, the chaps can go without cleaning for long. As far as the size is concerned, the length and size available in this model is up to 37 inches. However, because this one is in apron style, it will be flexible with the size. At number 3 on our list, we have the Husqvarna 531,309,565 Chainsaw Apron Chap. Here we come back with another amazing model from Husqvarna, which is made of 5 layers of Kevmalamet yellow line protective material. This one is among the finest and thickest materials that can withstand the attach of chainsaw while in operation. The 600 denier outer shell has protective feature to keep the leg as safe as possible. The dark navy blue color of the chaps won't show any stains or dirt. But the best part is that you can wash the chaps and hang to dry. We suggest not to wash the chaps in washing machine to ensure long-lasting performance. At number 4 on our list, we have the Husqvarna 587,160,702 Chainsaw Chap. This model from Husqvarna is an exceptional model made of high-quality fabric. The material used in the making of this model is 600 denier polyester with PVC coating with Tech Wrap protective layers. The fabric is very thick and can protect your legs effectively from electric saw as well. The 600 denier polyester make the chaps extra strong and durable. But at the same time, you will not feel a lot of weight on your legs because this one is extremely light in weight. Also, the chaps are adjustable, which means that you can wear them with utmost comfort. At number 5 on our list, we have the Forester Arborist Apron Chainsaw Chap. This model from Forester is a great purchase when it comes to the chainsaw chaps. This one is made of heavy nylon with 1000 denier to give more strength and durability in the worst environment. The fabric is thick, but not too much, so that the leg could start to feel bulky. At the same time, the material is extremely defensive and protects the leg from chainsaw injuries. Orange color is a great pick because the color doesn't fade or displays the dirt that the chaps may catch being in the outdoors. At number 6 on our list, we have the Sawbuck 4-ply Para Aramid Chainsaw Chap. These Sawbuck chainsaw chaps offer immense features that are highly benefiting for the chainsaw operators and professionals. This one is made of 1000 denier nylon shell fabric to offer great protection from the chainsaw. Also, the 4 layers of Para Aramid protection clogs a running chainsaw on contact. The performance of this model is remarkable due to the thick fabric. And adding to it, this one has got adjustable size with waist size varying between 32 inches to 46 inches. At number 7 on our list, we have the Labenville Full Wrap Chainsaw Safety Chaps. This model from Labenville is a great model that is made of thick material to make the chaps extremely durable. These are full wrap chaps to give great coverage to the legs. The material is light in weight to make running and walking extremely comfortable. Also, because this one is laced, you can enjoy flexibility of the size. However, this one is available in 4 sizes that you can check and pick as per your need. Also, these are completely adjustable. At number 8 on our list, we have the Woodland Pro Safety Chainsaw Chap. Now, this model from Woodland Pro is very similar to the former model discussed in our list. This one is also made of high-quality fabric that make the chaps extremely dependable in the time of need. The thick fabric can clog a working chainsaw and prevent the leg from injuries. As far as the material is concerned, this one is a highly recommended model. About the sizes, this one is also available in 4 different sizes that you can pick according to your need. The cost of differently sized products varies as well. And finally, at number 9 on our list, we have the Cold Creek Loggers Chainsaw Apron Safety Chaps with Pocket. Coming to the last model of our Forester Chainsaw Chap review, we would like to add this amazing model from Cold Creek, which is made of extremely thick and dependable material. First of all, the material is made of the fusion of different fabrics that are capable of keeping the legs at ease and extremely protected. The fabric used in the making of this model is 1200 Oxford poly outer to provide additional strength and durability to this model and also make it water and oil resistant. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.